Okay, success. Uh, I had a thin shell left, and I don't even think I drilled into any of the threads at all. And I kind of crushed the upper portion of the screw shell with this awl and some light taps with a hammer. And I didn't have a torch, so it would have been easier if I had heated that shell up and weakened it, but since I didn't have a torch, I couldn't do that. So after I crushed the upper couple of threads, the upper portion of the shell, that allowed me to get a tap started, and then I just tapped my way through. And one of the nice things about a jig borer is you have plenty of room to raise this spindle up and get something like this in there, and then align the tap and the tap handle with a point that's actually a countersink drill bit. Anyway, that allowed me to get a nice alignment with my tap, and I was able to, with some patience, tap my way through all the way, and came out pretty good. The threads in there look pretty good. If I can get it to focus. Anyway. Came out pretty good. And I'm gonna run a screw through there, make sure, and then re-tap all of the other ones. So 1 down and 2 to go.